Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to enable or disable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to accessibility. After that go to advanced settings and then go to flash notification. Now from here you can enable your flash notification. Here you can see two types of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. If you turn on camera flash notification and then tap on preview, now you can see the camera flash is flashing. And now if you enable screen flash notification and then tap on preview, now you can see the screen is flashing. Also if you tap here, from here you can change your screen flash notification color. You can set any color as you like. If I select red color, then tap on done and it's done, then tap on preview and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.